Airplane Jane here to talk to you about one of the best books that I have read in the trading world that has really helped to change my trading style, to really watch the volume and the prints. It is Stephanie Kammerman's Dark Pool Secrets. I first met Stephanie via the internet when I was interviewing her for my book, and then she came to my seminar and spoke as well, the Modern Trader Summit, which is where I received her book. And let me tell you, this is a life-changing book in the trading world. If you haven't already read it, I highly recommend it. It talks about the dark pool prints, which is the large buyers and sellers. And you get to see when those prints come in real time or late action. And we actually saw the correction that was happening back in October by seeing these dark pool prints, which are in her Java Pit trading room. So definitely check it out. You will see she keeps it very simple. If a print comes in, it's bullish above and bearish below. No thinking. That's the secret. So follow the big guys and profit with them and profit with Stephanie. Have a great day, guys.